Hey guys, I am here to do a few videos for you guys. Just try to record quite a few videos so I can get a lot of this stuff out the way. So this video right here is going to be on a Michael Kors. This is called the Michael Kors Fulton Crossbody, and it says it's a large, but I don't know, I guess. But this I bought this bag pre-loved, and I think I got it off of Poshmark, I want to say. But yeah, here it is. And like I said, it's a crossbody. So here's the front. Here's the back part. And it does have a pocket in the back. And then this part right here, it does snap. And then it has an opening right here, a zip opening here. And then this snaps right here. And it has an opening here, an opening there. You flip it over and you can put your cards here, cards and ID here, and then it has another opening there. And then right here it has another opening. Now I have used this bag quite a bit. Me and my husband had went on a cruise and I took this bag, and this bag came in handy. And I like the fact that you can put your cards right here, and so that way you don't have to worry about carrying a wallet or whatever. So that worked out just right. So like I said, it is a crossbody, and I'm sure you still can find this bag around. Just search for it or whatever. 9 times out of 10 just type in Michael Kors crossbody. So anyway, this is the Michael Kors Fulton crossbody, and this is in the color brown, the signature print in brown. I also got this bag in the black signature print with the silver hardware, and it's just same exact thing. And then I got it in the vanilla color. Now I had ordered this bag right here in the vanilla twice, because the first time I ordered it, I got it off of Poshmark, and I looked at the pictures and stuff, and I had asked the girl, I was like, well, is there anything wrong with it or whatever? She was like, no, there's nothing wrong with it. I said, are there any stains or anything? And she was like, no. But I kept looking at the picture, and it looked like it was dirty, but then the picture was kind of blurry, so I really couldn't tell. So anyway, I went ahead and bought it. Baby, when I got that bag, y'all, that bag was filthy as hell. And I took pictures, I contacted Poshmark, and I sent that thing back, and I got my money back. No ma'am. Because she knew that bag was filthy as hell. So anyway, I sent it back, and I ended up finding another one that was like brand new. Because see, this one right here still has the tag and stuff to it, and it is called the Fulton, it's the Fulton large crossbody, and this is the color vanilla. Like I said, this is the color vanilla, and it retails for $188, and I forgot how much I paid for it, but I got a really good deal out of the bag. So, and I also had this bag in a mandarin color, but I sold it like a long time ago because that color was just too bright for me. So I'm not a real, I have a couple of bags that's bright, but I'm not that girl. So yeah, y'all, these are really cute functional bags, and let me show y'all. Like I said, it is a crossbody. So here the bag is on me. I am 5'2", so it hits like right here. So I like the bag. Y'all like my Purple Rain shirt? But yeah, this is the bag. Let me fix my shirt. Scoot that bag some more. So yeah, I hope y'all can see it. But yeah, y'all, this, and I love because it is real flat or whatever. So that's what I like about it. But yeah, y'all, just want to show you guys this bag. And like I said, you still can find these bags. You can find them on like eBay, and I see them on Mercari all the time. But I just want to show you guys my little collection. And if you guys have any questions, like always, just let me know. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.